Looking for versatile and reliable jumper wires for your electronics projects? The ELEGOO Dupont Wires Kit is perfect for you. Each 20cm or 8-inch cable can be separated to meet your specific connection needs, even for odd-spaced headers. This comprehensive set includes male-to-female, male-to-male, and female-to-female jumper wires in bright, easy-to-organize colors. Made of high-quality materials, these wires are durable and reliable for any Arduino or electronic project. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Meet Flipper Zero, your curious cyber dolphin and ultimate digital sidekick. This tiny device interacts with access control systems, RFID infrared signals, and radio protocols, making security testing and tech learning fun and easy. Fully open source and customizable, Flipper Zero is perfect for pen testers and tech enthusiasts. Its durable design and simple controls mean you can take it anywhere and use it effortlessly. Get ready to the digital world like never before. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Are you ready to bring your creative ideas to life? Introducing the ELEGOO, a versatile and beginner-friendly microcontroller board that works seamlessly with the official Arduino integrated development environment. With 14 digital input-output pins, 6 analog inputs, and compatibility with shields and sensors through protocols like Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter, Inter-Integrated Circuit, and Serial Peripheral Interface, this board offers endless possibilities. It comes with S-Beat Babel and is perfect for education, robotics, smart home projects, and more. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Are you passionate about electronics and prototyping? The ELEGOO Breadboard is your perfect companion. With 3 sturdy breadboards featuring 830 tie points, it offers ample space for all your projects. Made from durable materials, it ensures reliable conductivity and repeated use. Its modular design with side-locking tabs makes expansion simple and flexible. Ideal for Arduino, robotics, STEM education, and beginners. Unlock your creativity and bring ideas to life effortlessly. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the AUKENIEN LED Kit, a fantastic set of 5mm light-emitting diodes available in vibrant red, blue, yellow, green, and white colors. Designed with bright, stable beams, these LEDs are energy efficient, produce minimal heat, and last for a long time. Perfect for your EII projects, electronics, or creative displays, this kit includes 500 high-quality diodes to spark your imagination. You'll find the purchase link, description, and in the pinned comment.